The blessing of Dr. Sinar's new toy, Cybertruck. Yeah, he finally got it. This long.
Dok, magpapalista din daw sila, magkano daw? Nahanap ko yung...
Hey, there's the owner. Doc Sinar. Buksan lahat. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that is thing that's inside. Remember, my friend had a. He bought this. It was the original color. Now he had it. Anong gawa rin? Anong gano'n? I can't remember what he did to that. But it become white. It's white. It used to be gray. It used to be gray, now dito nagbibideo. Now it's white. It's not gold color anymore. Yeah, looks nice. Yeah. But today, they let me drop this one. We went to LA. Yeah. With my kids. Went to downtown LA. Garment district. It's the Divisoria of Los Angeles. Yeah, I was amazed that they turned white. That was neat. Yeah, that was neat. Ta-da! Yeah.